Hi, black dogs in United States. Yes, I have to use this word. Black dogs in United States. Those black dogs in United States who they using them to fumble to our black youth, our black folk. They must be careful. They must be careful because as soon as you wear the police wear, couple wear, and you misbehave among our, among of our unit, one day, the same peoples who them are giving you that opportunity for you to fumble among of us, they will fuck your ass too. Them will fuck your ass too. So if you are a couple and you don't know that, you really know, but they tell you what you have to do, kill your peoples, and you go and do that. Mr. Tom, are you aware for what they did with your ancestors, your forefathers? Did you remember your history? And you go continue to do that? You just see black police with a white police, black men disabled. He cannot even walk, but he want to try to save himself, his life. And that he had that disabled because of police people shoot his legs and they must cut it. That is why the guy can't be disabled. But upon of that, on top of that, upon that, our own black policeman killed that guy. And not only not that guy, more of them. So what wrong? What wrong? What is in your mind as a black man? What is in your mind? How many Chinese police in the United States you see them killing the Chinese peoples? How many Italian police see that you killing the Italian peoples? This kind Wakala Sweden peoples and Islanda peoples, all those kind of white peoples. Have you seen them killing them peoples in the roadside like this? No. But black man, he will get the boss to do that to his own fellow black man. So why we do ourselves this way? Why we wicked ourselves this way? How? Why? And it says some small population who them are so stupid, who them are so swine, who them are so they want them brains, so they might think that they look like white black people, but the mentalities are a white mentality. How can you do that in your fellow black man? Could you able to do this the same thing to your brother, your own brother, as you come with the same mama? Could you able to do that to him? Well, I don't know what's wrong with us. I don't know. I cannot understand. Thank you for that.